Hey guys, what's happening? To buy now and pay later on Shein, select a buy now, pay later at checkout. So I'm gonna, let's say, buy this product. So I'm gonna go ahead to this product, add it to my cart, right? iPhone 16. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead to the shopping cart. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit the checkout at the bottom right. Okay. And you're gonna see in the payment method, buy now, pay later, right? And it's different from one region, right? It's not available for everyone, so make sure to check if you're eligible for buy now, pay later, right? And you can choose Klarna, Afterpay, or Tamara at checkout right here, right? And then complete the provider's brief application for approval. Once approved, you will pay a portion of your order upfront and the rest in installments directly through the BNPL or Buy Now Pay Later provider's app or website. But be aware that late payments can incur fees and affect your credit score. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.